Hello friends, today we will learn how to find minimal cover. Okay, suppose a set of FDs are given, so we need to find out minimal cover which will have the same FDs, but it will have minimum number of FDs. Okay, so suppose there is a set given like this: A drives B, B drives C, A drives C, and AB drives A. So we just need to find out the minimal cover of given set of FDs. So the first step is that there should be a single elemented RHS. Suppose our FD is given as A goes to BC, so we have to have single elemented RHS. So we will rewrite it as A goes to B and A goes to C. This is the first step. In second step, there should not be any extraneous attributes at LHS. No extraneous attributes at LHS. Okay. Suppose there are few functional dependencies given as okay, so we can see here that A can drive B. It means B is extraneous here. B is extraneous here. So there should not be any extraneous attribute at LHS. So we can rewrite it as A drives B, A drives C, and A drives D. The third step is that there should not be any redundant FDs. So I'll take an example here and I will solve it. Okay, so I'll take the same example which is given here. So this is A drives B, B drives C, A drives C, and AB drives A. Okay, so our first step says that there should be a single elemented RHS. So we are having single elemented RHS, so we do not need to do anything. And our second step says that no extraneous attributes at LHS. Okay, so we can see here that A can drive B, and here we are having at LHS B with A, so we can remove B. Okay, so we can rewrite it as like this: A goes to A. So we can see here that A goes to A is a trivial functional dependency, so we do not need to include it because it's trivial. A can recognize itself. Okay, so now we are having 3 FDs. Our third step says that there should not be any redundant FDs. Okay, so we are having 3 FDs here. Now we can see that A can drive B and B can drive C. It means A can drive C. This is transitive dependency. Okay, so we do not need to mention it explicitly because it's a redundant functional dependency, because if A can drive B and B can drive C, it means A can drive C. So the minimal cover will be A goes to B and B goes to C. This is same as this set of functional dependencies, but it has minimum number of functional dependencies and there is no redundant functional dependency.